An aluminum spacer is in the shape of a cylinder with a square hole drilled through the center. The figure to the right shows the dimensions of the spacer. The diameter and height of the spacer are both 4 centimeters, so it's 4 centimeters in diameter and 4 centimeters in height. And the square hole has a side length of 2 centimeters. So this is 2 centimeters, and this also is 2 centimeters because it's a square hole, right? So this right here is also 2 centimeters, this portion right over here. The square hole has a side length of 2 centimeters. And what is the volume in cubic centimeters of the aluminum used in the spacer? So basically, we just have to find the volume of the cylinder and subtract out the volume of the rectangular prism. So I'll call it P for prism that we have here, and that's going to tell us the volume of that's going to be equal to the volume of the spacer right there, and that's all it is. And so the volume of the cylinder is actually given to you in the sense that you will be given the formula for it at the front of the SAT math section. But the volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r squared times height, and the volume of the rectangular prism right here, or this the rectangular prism, is going to be equal to length times width times height, and that's going to be equal to the volume of the spacer over here. A couple of things to figure out. The center of the circle is right over here, and the radius of this bottom circle is going to be equal to 2 centimeters. And that's because the diameter is equal to 4, right? This is the diameter. That's the diameter is equal to 4 centimeters. That means the radius must be 2 centimeters. The height is 4 centimeters. We have length times width times height. We have everything we need here. So let's go ahead and start plugging in our numbers. So pi times radius is 2 squared times height, which is equal to 4, minus the volume of the hole, the square hole. The length and width are 2 each, so it's going to be 2 times 2, and the height is going to be 4 because the height is going to be the same as the height of the entire spacer. So now all we need to do is multiply and simplify. So in this case, I will get pi times 4 minus 2 times 2 is 4 times 4, like that. And this is going to give me 16 pi minus 16. Does this look like our answer choice? Yes, it does. It's answer choice C, and C is the correct answer for this problem.